Welcome to Golden Career. Today we will see percentage tricks, how to solve percentage questions in your IBPS PO or India Post Payment Bank prelim exam or SBI PO prelim exam. You will get at least two questions from percentage topic, and actually it is a very easy topic if you learn if you understand the process clearly, and if you don't have any doubt in your concept, then you can solve the questions very easily. So actually it will actually the video will complete in several parts, at least 2 to 3 parts. In this part we will I will cover only basics of percentage and basics question. These tricks you can use in data interpretation, and as you know, in data interpretation, mostly questions are based on percentage, average, and ratio. So, and data interpretation is very important topic. At least you will get 10 questions from data interpretation. At least means two sets. So, percentage is very useful there. So, if we if we see, then you may get at least 4 to 5 questions from this topic alone in your prelim exam, because two questions alone from percentage and at least 3 to 4 questions in data interpretation from this topic. So percentage is very important topic, and how to solve it the question easily I will tell you. In this video I will try to clear your basic concept, and if your basic concepts are clear, then definitely you can solve any question. And this video is especially for India Post Payment Bank batch. If you want to join the batch, then you can mail me at info@goldencareer.co.in. We are also going to start a SBI PO 2017 batch. I would like to tell you this year SBI and actually all public sector banks, I think this year SBI and IBPS both will come with a lot of vacancies, because there are nearly 40,000 retirements in public sector banks this year. So a lot of vacancies are expected. Let's see what will happen, but I think in alone SBI there will be at least 12 to 15k vacancies of probationary officers. That's why we and the SBI PO prelims will held in nearly in May or June, and the mains exam will held in July or August. So we are starting a SBI PO batch. If you want to join, you can mail me at info@goldencareer.co.in, and the batch will start from 1st of January. So this is all about SBI PO new batch. So let's proceed and see the percentage topic. So percentage is a fraction whose denominator is always 100. Like x percent is equal to x by 100 means percentage is equal to 1 by 100. Suppose somewhere is written y percent, it means y by 100. X percent of y. Okay, so as you know, of means multiplication. So x of means multiplication, y, and percentage means 1 by 100. Divide by 100. So this is x percentage of y. So percentage is nothing. Percentage is a fraction whose denominator is always 100. Percentage is equal to 1 by 100. Whenever you see percentage, just divide by 100 and you will get the value. Now we will see the simple question just to clear your concept. 15% of 450. Again I say 15 of means multiplication into 450, divide by 100. 0 0, 5 2 are 10, 5 9s are 45. So it will be 15 9s are 135, divide by 2. Okay, so this is the answer. So again, uh, percentage means percentage means 1 by 100 divide by 100, you can say anything. 20% of 160, 20 into 860 divide by 100. Okay, 0 0. So 86 into 2 will be the answer. Multiply 6 to the 12, carry 1, 8 to the 16, 117, 172 will be the answer. Okay, so convert percent into fraction. So now we will see how to convert a percent into fraction. Suppose we have to convert 25% into fraction. So how can we write it? How can we write it? Again, I have told you earlier, percentage means percentage is a fraction whose denominator is always 100, and percentage means 1 by 100. So just write 25 by 100. It means 1 by 4. So 25% is equal to 1 by 4. Again, if we talk about 35%, 35 divide by 100, 5 sevens are 5. So 35% is equal to 7 by 20. And again, if we talk about 50%, then 50 divide by 100. So 50% is equal to 1 by 2. So we can convert any percentage into fraction. What you need to do is just divide by 100. Now, uh, if you have previously attended IBPS PO prelims exam, then in data interpretation questions, you will get questions like x is what percent more or less than y. So to solve this, x is what percent more or less than y, what you need to do is, let's see an example. Suppose x is equal to 500 as given here in the question, and y is equal to 700. So x is what percent less than y. So x is what percent less than y. We are comparing x with y, and when we are comparing with any variable, that variable will always come in denominator, and x is what percent less than y. So difference between x and y is 200. Okay, 700 minus 500 is equal to 200, and we are comparing it with y. So value of y is 700, and again, if this is percent, they multiplied by 100. So x is what percent less than y? 200. Again, we are comparing with y, and value of y is 700. 700 multiplied by 100. 0 0 0 0. 200 by 7. It means 7 to the 14, and 6 28 point something. Okay, so x is what percent less than y? X is 28 point something percent less than y. Again, remember this, if you when you are comparing two values, so here you are comparing x with y. So you comparing with y, so value of y will always come in denominator. Okay, remember this. Now here, y is what percent more than x. Now we are comparing y with x. Now the value of x will come in the denominator. What is the value of y is what percent more than? Again, you will take the difference. So difference is 200. 200 is how much more than x? Means 500 multiplied by 100. 0 0 0 0 5 40. So y is what percent more than x? Y is 40% more than x. So what you need to remember is, when you are comparing two values, so again you are comparing with, here you are comparing x with y. So y will come in the denominator. Okay, value with you are comparing, the value uh, of y will always come in denominator, and if you are comparing with x, then the value of x will come in the denominator. So this is comparison, and let's see a question. If x earns 25% more than y, what percent less does y earns than x? Okay, so how can we solve this question? Okay, suppose x earns 25% more than y. Okay, let's suppose y earns 100 rupees. Okay, x earns 25% more than y. So 25% more than y means 100 into 25% na? Then 25 divided by 100 means 25. X earns 25 more than y means if y is 100 then x is earning 125. What percent less does y earn than x? Listen, y earned then x. Here we are comparing y with x. So value of x will come in the denominator. What is the value of x? Value of x is 125. And what percent less does y earns than x? So difference between x and y is 25 and again multiplied by 100. 25 25 5s are 125, 5 2 0. So 20%. Y earns 20% less than X. So this is the basic, and you have to use this concept in data interpretation. At least two questions will be based on this concept in your data interpretation. So this is very important. You must remember how to compare the values. Let's see one more question. If the cost of a ball pen reduces by 20%, Raj can buy 90 more ball pens for rupees 3600. Find the cost of a ball pen. Okay. So suppose initially the cost of one pen is X rupees. Okay. Now the cost of ball pen reduces by 20%. So 20% of X is 20% of X is 0.2x. So now the price of pen is x minus 0.2x, that is equal to 0.8x. So initially the price of one pen was x, and now price of one pen is 0.8x because the price is reduced by 20%. Now Raj can buy 90 more ball pens for rupees 3600. Find the cost of a ball pen. So initially, how many pens Raj can buy for rupees 3600? 3600 divide by x. Okay, and now how much he can buy? 3600 divide by 0.8x. Okay, to we will add 90 here because now he can buy 90 more ball pens. Okay, so to make the equation equal, we will add 90 this side. Why I have a 90 here? Because here it is clearly mentioned that Raj can buy 90 more ball pens for rupees 3600. Initially the price of pen was x. Now the price of pen is 0.8x, so that price of pen is reduced. That's why he can buy 90 more ball pens. So to make the equation equal, we will add 90 on left side. Now what we need to do is just solve the equation and get the value of x. So 90x plus 3600 is equal to 3600 by 0.8. So 90x is equal to 3600 minus 3600 into 0.8 divided by 0.8. 90x is equal to We can take 36 common here. 1 minus 0.8 divided by 0.8. So 90x is equal to 3600 multiplied by 0.2 divided by 0.8. So 90x is equal to 36. We can remove this point, and 36 into 2, 7200. 7200 divide by 8. 8 9 is 72. Double 0, 900. So x is equal to 900 divided by 90. That is equals to 10. So cost of a ball pen is 10 rupees. I hope you have got all the points, and this is all about today's video. And in next video we will learn some advanced level question. We will see some advanced level questions, some questions based on consumption and reduce of price, just like if the price of sugar is reduced by 20%, then by how much percent a user should increase his consumption, so that budget will not decrease or increase. So we will see this type of question in next video, and in part 3 we will see some high level questions, some cat level questions. So this is all about today's video, and if you have any doubt you can comment below. I will try to answer your queries. Thank you.